Welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and we are doing an eyeshadow look today using the Colourpop Lucky Penny palette here. So I knew I wanted to do like kind of a smoky eyeshadow look, sticking with these colors here. And I wanted to have some yellow in the look to match my jacket that I'm wearing today. So this is the look I came up with. I decided to kind of make my eyeshadow go up just a little bit higher to give my eyes like more lifted. So that's what I went for. And if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. I have the tape on and I put it going a little higher up because I think I want to just try to see if I can achieve a different type of eyeshadow look. I don't know how it's gonna go, but we're going to try and see how it turns out. I'm getting ready a little bit earlier just in case it doesn't work out. I have time to kind of redo my makeup, but hopefully if things go wrong, I can just fix it and move on. So to start, I'm actually gonna go in with the color, what is this, Bouillon? It's this deep brown. So I'm gonna go in with the darker color first. I'm just gonna use this brush because I just want this on the outside, and then I will start blending it out. So let me see if I can just use this. Usually I don't use the palette, but we'll try. Okay, so I'm just gonna pat the deep brown on the outer corners first, and I have to do it to both. Okay, and then I'm going to take this brush with coin on it. Is it going to be coin or, yeah, I'm gonna just go with this color coin right here. And I'm gonna tap into that and start blending this bouillon color out. And I'm also blending it forward. So I'm blending it forward and out and up. And I will add more of the deep brown color once I'm done. I'll add that back in. All right, we'll do the same on this side. Okay, so now that we've done the same on both sides, I'm going back with this brush that I took the deep brown, which is Bouillon. And I don't know if I'm even saying that right, but Bouillon or Bouillon. I think it's Bouillon. And I'm just gonna tap this back in this inner corner. I didn't put anything on the brush because it still has some. And I'm just gonna add that depth back in there that I blended out. And just keeping it on this outer crease right here, but not taking it back. Okay, and then I'm going to bring it forward a little bit. Just on closer to the lower lash line. Okay, so let's take the color Token, which is this lighter brown here. And I'm just gonna blend this here next to, what color was that, Coin. So I'm just using an eyeshadow brush to pat it on. I'm not taking it all the way forward, just partially forward so that the inner corner can be I think I want to do a shimmer shade. Alright, now the brush I was using to blend out coin, I'm going to just use it again to add coin back here where I kind of lost some of it because of the token color. I'm just going to add it back in. So that way it fades from like light to dark and then goes out to that second shade out here. Now the next color is Shiny Objects, which is this color. I'm going to put that on my inner lash, or not my inner lash, my inner lid. And I'm just using my finger to tap that on, and I'm taking it back into token. Okay, taking the same brush again, just to blend. And then I'm going to take the brush that I was tapping token with and just pat that over. And this is just going back to help the colors like blend and transition together. Alright, so Shiny Objects is a nice color, but I want to see if I can make it pop a little more. So I'm just going to take it on this brush, this is a cream eyeshadow brush, but I'm taking it on this brush and I'm going to spray it. Alright, I want to add some more of the deep brown in there. With all the blending, I've kind of blended some of it away. It's still deep, but I want to just make sure it's deeper. So I'm using the tape, so I'm brushing near the tape without taking it too far forward. And then I'll slowly that's as far forward as I want it, and I'll do it to both eyes. Alright, so one more time, because blending is key, we're going to go back in the token, just outside here where we stopped with the deep brown, which is bouillon. And I'm just going to take this brush and softly just blend it back. Okay. And that's what we're doing. Now I need my eyeliner. Let's see, I'm just going to take, and I use liquid eyeliner, so this is the Essence Super Precise Eyeliner, long-lasting, waterproof. I have to get close to the mirror when I do it. Maybe I can do it through here. And use the tape as a guide. Okay, so I took my eyes kind of going higher up, and I need to do the rest of my face. And I think for my lower lash line I want to do like a yellow color, and I might even incorporate, because I have this sitting on my desk, this Kylie Jenner highlighter. I might do that on my inner corner. I might like just find a way to incorporate it there somehow. I don't know yet, but I think I want to use that. But I know I want to use the yellow on my lower lash line and my waterline possibly. So let me do the rest of my face so I can see if I can make this look come together. I am back. This is the completed look. So just really quick, I'll go over what I ended up using. For my waterline, I put this Colourpop cream gel liner in the color Punch. So it's this yellow color. And I needed a yellow eyeshadow, so I went to it's a Clarity Cosmetics Carnival palette, and I had a feeling it had a bright yellow in it, and it did. So I use this yellow here for my lower lash line. And then over top of that, I used the Kylie Cosmetics, is it Kylie? Well, it's Kylie Jenner, but the highlighter in Good as Gold. I use that on my inner corner. I also put it on my lower lash line, and I put a tiny bit there to highlight as well. And the lip combo is the Wet n Wild Perfect Pout Gel Lip Liner in the color Think Flamingos. I put this all over my lip first, and then I used the Milani lipstick in 420 Teas. And then lastly, over top, I used this Glam Light liquid lip in the color Chocolate Chip. So that's the lip combination that I have on today, just kind of keeping it neutral to match my eyes, and the yellow going with the jacket. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching.